Hi, this is Sherry from Yucaipa Vacuum Shop and Sewing. I wanted to tell you a few quick features about our favorite vacuum, the Sebo. It's made in Germany. It lays flat to the ground to get underneath floors and beds and furniture easy. We have what we call the John Wayne handle set of attachments, quick draw. Say you have to clean off the hair off your brush roller if you get long hair or have pets. You have easy access to cleaning off your brush roller, and it has a lifetime belt so you never have to worry about changing belts. Another fun feature is if you accidentally catch a rag or a sock or something, it has an instant shutdown and it won't harm your vacuum cleaner. You just give it a second, it'll shut down, and you can reset itself by turning the on and off switch. Please check your brush roller. You should be able to pull it out very easily. Just turn it off and turn it right back on. If you have any questions, we do a lot of repairs at the Yucaipa Vacuum Shop and Sewing. Come see us today.